The next question I received was, how do we prepare well for the current affairs subject? Now, current affairs is a new inclusion in the CS curriculum. It's a very positive move. Is it enough if we study whatever is given in the syllabus? If you ask me, it is just indicative of what one should know, but a lot of reading and understanding has to happen. So the best place to gain knowledge is, of course, the newspapers. All aspirants should make it a habit to read newspapers on a daily basis. The immediate question would be, what sort of newspaper should we read? The best thing that you can do is you should start reading newspapers like the Economic Times, Financial Express, Business Standard, Business Line. These are the papers. Can we subscribe all of them at home? Might not be possible, but all these papers have their online presence. So downloading their app or visiting their website, if you can make it a habit, it helps you in a big way. Now, wherever I teach, to whomever I teach, I advise them to download this app called the InShot. This is a wonderful app where we can select the subjects of or topics of our choice. For example, legal affairs or politics or economics, finance, whatever it is. We can select what we want to read. That's one thing. Second thing is, all these news items that appear in the app is presented within 75 words. So the gist of the news is given to us, and very quickly we can understand what exactly the news is all about. And if you want to know more about it, there will be a link that will be there at the bottom of the news bit. We can click on that and read the entire news. So this is the best way to prepare ourselves for the CSEET Current Affairs paper. To make things easier, like I told you in the previous video, there is a link which is given in the description. You can always click on that link and register yourselves for our free online classes and start preparing yourself for the exams. We wish you all the very best for your CSEET exams preparation. Good luck. Thank you.